And now the history of the vending machine. In 1867, Simon Denham won the British patent number 706 for creating the first fully automatic vending machine. Dispensing stamps in 1883, Percival Everett was the first man to introduce a modernized vending machine which dispensed postcards. When was the first vending machine introduced in the U.S.? In 1888, the first vending machines arrived in the U.S. thanks to the Thomas Adams Gum Company and their Tutti, Tutti Frutti gum machines located on elevated subway platforms in New York City. What did the very first vending machine do? On December 16, 1884, 134 years ago today, William Henry Fruin of Minneapolis patented his automatic liquid drinking device designed to look like a building. Fruin's device dispensed mineral water upon the deposit of a coin, making it America's first patented vending machine.